From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with aches and pains from a mattress that's just not cutting it? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the SINWEEK 3-inch gel memory foam mattress topper. This premium topper has been a total sleep saver for me, and I'm excited too. One of the things I love about it is the gel memory foam material, which conforms to the curves of my body, distributing weight evenly and alleviating pressure points for a better night's sleep. I can literally feel the difference as I sink into its soft, cushiony texture. The SINWEEK topper also increases the softness and comfort of my mattress, making it feel like new again. Plus, the high-density topper and soft cover work together to extend the life of my mattress, which is a huge plus. The non-slip and machine washable cover is another great feature, made with skin-friendly and breathable polyester fiber that's gentle on my skin. I've been impressed by how well it stays in place, thanks to the elastic straps and anti-slip surface backing. This topper is super popular among customers, and for good reason. It's easy to set up, and the results are noticeable from the first night. I've found that it's especially great for side sleepers like me, as it provides the right amount of support and pressure relief. The CertiPUR-US certified materials and OEKOTX certified soft cover give me peace of mind, knowing that I'm sleeping on a safe and healthy surface. Whether you're looking to upgrade your mattress or just want a better night's sleep, I highly recommend giving the SINWEEK 3-inch gel memory foam mattress topper a try. Trust me, your body will thank you. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.